This is Groovy Space. Today we are in Melton, Victoria 3337. We got an outdoor drive-up unit. The size of this unit is 3 meter wide, 6 meter deep, and 3 meter high. Okay. Follow me and I'll show you some of the I'll show you the goods inside here. Okay, we got mostly kid toys, clothing. Let's see whether this work or not. Oh, it's still working. General household goods, bed sheet. It's a lot of boys' toys as well as girls' one as well. We got rocking horse. Yeah.
Anti-gravity belt activate.
Kitchen stuff there. I can see the word kitchen there in the corner there. So, there's a bedside table here. We got 2 bedside table. Stepping back a bit, we got a microwave here. A Hoover dryer, a Mitsubishi fridge, stainless steel one up in the front. Let's see what's the condition. Could do with a good clean. Oh, it smells. The bottom is the lower main fridge is alright. It's quite okay. Got mostly clothes here. We got a, I think this is a 5-seater or 4 or 5-seater with a chassis. The corner one here. Okay. Deco, DVDs here, clothing. So I think this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 corner, and then the chassis part here. 2 bars here. Nothing is tested. One soap, everything to be removed, nothing to be left behind. There's a $250 cash deposit. Once you clear the unit, we'll refund you back the $250. This is, once again, this is in Melton, Victoria 3337. It's an outdoor unit, literally almost right in front of the unit. And you start to look. Thank you for watching.